Clear it up, clear it up.
Yeah, they're putting constant reflex on the gate. Just punch it.
That spin to win with quickness is terrifying.
Clear it up.
Once that bubble goes down, I put the courage on that.
Oh, nice.
Courage. Oh,
Oh, left side
Leave it up.
down.
Yeah, the two on the left. Nice.
Clear it up, clear it up.
Emergency.
In combat.
Oh my god, it's got constant fucking reflex on that
Ram it.
gate.
CBL.
Nah, we're in combat, can't go.
3 seconds.
Going in 3, 2, 1. Push aside. Bomb side, Lord. 3, 2.
Courage.
putting up stat.
Going left. Any ACs and siege wing clear
Putting
on the right
resist
side.
up.
They're on the top. I'm gonna try to get
Right
on
can
the
9%. Right can 9%. We're moving right can, right can, right can. Right can, right can. Stay in here.
Stabbing up again.
Small side.
Going resolve.
Get this cannon
one
down.
build side down.
Get it. Right up here in 3, 2, 1.
Dropping waters.
Alright.
Resisting.
Roll back to
Other
center.
cannon down.
Other cannon's down. Go back to Lord. Let's try to take
The
this now.
nerds on me again. What the fuck?
Come back here in 3, 2, 1. Bomb inside Lord. Just pull Lord here. Clear it up, clear it up. Pressure Lord, range pressure left side. Pull Lord up to edge, pull Lord up to edge. Press 2 to break bar if you got it. Taunting here. Bomb on the left side, Spydical, and 2, 1, 0. Hold the edge, hold the edge.
Dropping waters on
Keep
up.
pressure edge. Mark up the edge, mark up the edge. Don't let him through. 3, 2, 1. Burn the Lord, burn the Lord,
Yeah,
burn the Lord.
on one of the arrow cards.
Burn the Lord, burn the Lord. Stay in the goal and press 2 on it to break bar, motherfuckers. Clear it up.
Dropping water on you.
Break bar.
Break bar, burn it. Break bar. Pull, roll left, bomb left, bomb left, bomb left, bomb left, bomb left, bomb left. Bomb left, bomb left. Water here in 3, 2, 1. Get him up. Roll back now in 2, 1, 0 on Lord. Break bar, went back up, clear it. Come back here in 2, 1, 0. Clear it up. Clear it up. 2, 1, 0. Clear it up. Clear it up. 2, 1, 0. Roll back right. Roll back right. 2, 1, 0. Shielding up. 2, 1, 0. Bombs right. Bombs right. Clear these out. Clear these out. Clear these out.
Cleansing.
2, 1, 0. Clear it up. Clear it up. Clear it up. Clear it up. Roll back to Lord in 3, 2, 1. Back to Lord. Back to Lord. Back to Lord. Bomb
Okay, all
Lord.
the ACs
Zone
be
in Lord.
down on third floor.
Okay. On Lord now. On Lord. Let's get this
Dropping
Lord.
water on you.
Where's the
Dropping
Lord
water.
at? Let's burn the Lord.
Breathing, breathing,
Range.
breathing,
Pull,
breathing.
pull Lord up north. Up to the gate. Up to the gate. Up to the gate. Up to the gate. 3, 2, 1. Bomb on the top side. Top stairs. Top stairs. Top stairs. Top stairs. Top stairs. Bomb here. Clear it up. 3,
Reflecting
2, 1.
compass.
Aim classes down. Roll back. Get her up in 3, 2, 1. Give up. Give it up. Give it up. Roll back here. Edge now. Pull the Lord. Why is the Lord not coming up? Come here. Come here. Who's up here?
It's
Get the
Echo
guy
Blade,
behind
I
us in
think.
3, 2, 1. He's coming. He's coming. Roll back to us. Hold the edge. Get the edge in 2, 1, 0. Cleave it up. Cleave it up.
Resistance.
Cleave it up.
Resistance.
Bomb edge. Bomb edge. Taunting here in 3, 2, 1.
Stabbing
Cleave
up.
it up.
Stabbing up.
Bombs here. Bombs here. Cleave it up. Cleave it up. Cleave it up. Get these downs here. Roll back right. 3, 2, 1. Back cross left side. Back cross left side. Keep the goal on the Lord. Where's the Lord at? 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. Where's the Lord? Taunting the Lord. Where's the Lord?
I'm gonna spend the win and hope that the
Okay.
Lord's in range.
Bombs
the
here on
Lord's
top
to your
stairs.
right.
Top stairs. Top stairs. Okay, now we got good. Stay
He's
up
on
here.
top of you.
Bomb top stairs. Top top. Bomb top. Burn them out. Burn them off top stairs. Top stairs. Top stairs. Top stairs. Burn them off top stairs. 3, 2, 1. Clear it up. Clear it up. Got these downs. Roll back in these downs. In 3, 2, 1. Clear it up. Clear it up. Oh, that's his down. Get him up. 3, 2, 1. I'm resing something. I don't think it's him though. Come back here.
No,
Cleave
you
out the
rest
Lord.
me. You rest me.
Back one. Back one. Back one. Back one.
Back.
Bad dome. Roll back and cleave the Lord.
Spending
Range
one.
left side. DPS. And 2 1's resolving. Water here. Water here. Burn the Lord. Burn the Lord. Get flex up if you can. 3, 2,
Going
1.
resolve also.
Burn our feet, burn our feet. Flex is double down. Push your Lord. Push top stairs again. Push top stairs. Push top stairs. Top stairs. Bomb top stairs. Bomb top stairs. In 3, 2, 1. Clear it up. Clear it up. Bomb top stairs. Roll back to Lord. Just don't push hard. Don't push hard. Come back here. Come back here.
Dropping water.
Lord up. In 3, 2, 1. Get pink with up. 3, 2, 1.
Resting.
Ah,
Resting.
stupid plug on the way.
Come on.
Cleave it up. Cleave it up. Where's the Lord at? Oh, they sealed the gate. Roll back. Roll back. 2, 1, 0. Cleave it up.
Put my
Lord
golem on the
50%.
gate.
Cleave it up. Neck cleaves down. Get the goal on the gate. Yeah, open up the gate. 2, 1, 0.
That trigger
It's gonna die.
Cleave it up, cleave it up.
Golem
That's it.
gonna
Roll
die.
left, roll left, roll left. That's heavy DPS. Roll left, and 2, 1, 0. And that's it.
Dropping the water.
2, 1, 0. Got it. Roll back out. Roll back out. Roll back out. Roll back out. Roll back out.
Rising,
Go in it.
rising,
Go in it.
rising.
Pull off. Pull off. Pull off. Pull off. Go to west.
Cleansing.
Go to west side of CDBL now.
Stabbing up. Going
Pull out
upstairs.
combat. Pull out combat. Go to west side CDBL. Go to west side CDBL. 2. Oh, it's gone. Never mind. Hold there. Hold there. Hold there. Come back. Come back. Come back.
I'm down at bottom.
Get him up. Get him up. Get him up. 2, 1, 0.
He's
Let's
inside,
go,
we're
let's go.
outside.
Ah, okay, let's go. Go back, go back, go back. Cleave it up, cleave it up. Don't worry about port. Cleave it up, cleave it up, cleave it up. Pull top left. The bro dropping down. 2, 1, 0. Bomb top left. Ashes here in 2, 1, 0.
Fatima?
Pull top left, pull top
Where is
left.
it?
Ashes, go left, go left, go left, go left, go left. Why are you guys on the right?
Pulling.
Push left, push left, push left,
What's
push
behind
left.
us?
2, 1, 0.
Giving
Pushing back
ashes,
right.
giving
3, 2, 1. On the gate, on the gate. Bomb the gate in 3, 2, 1.
Fatima?
Stab it up. 3, 2, 1. Coming up here. Bomb the gate in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I got
Cleave it up, cleave it up, cleave it up.
Resistance.
Bombs here, bombs here, bombs here,
Stabbing.
bombs here. 2, 1, 0. Cleave it up. Hold the gate here.
Reflex on
3,
us,
2, 1. Roll
reflex
back in 3, 2, 1. Back up, back it up.
So many
Just
down.
breeze it up.
Taunting.
3, 2, 1. Breeze it.
Down.
Resolving. 3,
Resistance,
2, 1. As
resistance.
soon as I
Where
can
is it?
switch. I'm trying to switch. While I
Breathing,
scrap up.
breathing, breathing,
Bomb the
breathing.
gate, bomb the gate. Bomb the gate in 3, 2, 1.
Goddamn.
Going
Let's
resolve.
go.
Going.
Yeah.
Water on you.
Ah, let's go, let's go. Come back here in 2, 1, 0. Alright, respawn.
Here or you want us to
now
go
from somewhere. I don't know where though.
How?
Nice. E waypoint.
Restore. Cleanse. Believe.
Thanks, man.
So I'm gonna just go ahead and say thank you for the Ultimate Dominator title farm.
That's a good run. Let's go, let's go.
Do you require my assistance?
Accelerating.
How interesting.
We go back again? Damn, that's pretty sweaty
Oh,
there.
that was you, Toku, that was putting that down. I thought it was them.
Still 1400 in SFC.
Excelsior.
2.55 KDR on that. Not bad.
Jesus.
That's really good.
Let's
Simplicity.
go. No, you're doing
I was
good. You're
looking
good.
at
Your
it
mic's
for,
good.
like,
Your mic's
this
good.
week. Like HOD or whoever the other server is hasn't been like above 1 the entire week when I looked.
Yeah, it's
Let's go.
0.77. It's like
There's the power.
we've been sitting at. Let's see what it is.
I haven't heard you shake up. I mean, say something. Nope, not a.
Let's go, let's go. They're mad we left to get Garrison. Let's go.
That I heard you.
Alright, let's move some people around here. Shaka,
Never felt better.
Taku. Flex, since he's lagging, will go down. Let's go.
This has got to be my last fight, man.
Yeah. That was a worthy farm.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, I go CDBL Northwest Tower.
Dragons.
Oh, we lost our garrison.
Yeah, of course. They're calling off like half an hour.
I take it one of you
Yeah, we
just in
better
here
go.
is Kasame.
Yeah, I was occupied. What's up? Mhm.
I'm sorry, but if you're in here, Kasame, you're a fucking moron. And
Oh, thank you, buddy.
Wait.
Nobody talks about my-
Tell me more. Tell me more. Tell me more. What I could have done better. Tell me more.
could have done anything instead of being a lazy fuckwit.
Oh shit! I'm sorry.
Oh, snap.
Damn!
He's bathing in that salt right now. Fuck.
My soul has been shot dead. Like, oh my fucking
Serve my
god.
ass up on a and season me, baby.
That's it. You know what? I think you're gonna have to cancel your subscription.
Can no other tags do anything like relevant on this fucking game? Fucking sake, lads.
Apparently we
You
can't.
didn't do anything fucking relevant either. You're sitting
yeah?
in Green Keep and you're fucking failing because
I
you're a
know.
shit git.
Frog.
Who says we're trying? Oh
And if
shit.
we're ever on a different server, I will fucking just dick on your guild. All day.
Oh, I hope you do. God damn.
Wow.
Drop it down.
Sounds
3,
like
2, 1, mighty up.
There's
2, 1, 0, dropping down. Push to the gate. Damn. I feel so
That's
bad.
Bombs
here.
a good league player, dude.
Recover here in 3, 2,
Alright,
1.
going
Recover.
Resist up.
Taunting here. Regrouping here in 3, 2, 1. We got down.
Taunting
Switches down.
also,
So 3, 2, 1. Fucking waste of my time coming to
stabbing up,
CL.
stabbing up.
Alright, clearing up.
Yeah,
so
did
cleave it
we
up,
get
cleave it
who
up.
that was by the
Cleave
way?
it up, cleave it up.
Yeah, who was that?
That was either DB
Clone
DBGA.
Cleave it up. Clone Deyja. I don't know, man.
Angry, dude. That sucks.
Ah, so sad. Let's go cleave it.
I didn't get all of it. I only got part of it. I'm sad
Damn.
now.
I didn't think that was for real.
He's with me the whole time we were in there.